in the middle of a snowstorm here in New Hampshire. I can't tell you where I live because my parents would kill me. So, let me give you a glimpse of the action. Yep. This is our lives in winter. But yeah, so I wanted to tell you guys about a bunch of new videos that I'm going to be coming out with. I'm going to start a channel with I'm going to be starting a different channel with one of my friends, and he's going to have his own channel. So it's going to be like my channel, like our channel together, and then his channel. So that's how it's going to work. And yeah, so you can obviously see I'm not in my usual setting. I'm in my mom's Jeep, and it's getting really bad out. And yeah, so I'm gonna be doing with like new songs. Shut up, radio. What? I was not listening to Air One. I was listening to 105.5 JYYO. Boom. Oh yeah, I just saved it. Do you think I would get in trouble if I said that? I would probably get flagged because I said something that I shouldn't have. But yeah, so I was listening to an opposite radio station other than 105.5. I'm listening to 106.7. I actually think. I don't care. But yeah, so our videos are going to be really funny since he's a really weird and quirky guy. But yeah, I'm going to be doing videos like on my separate channel other than ours and his. So like he's going to be featured in one of my videos, and then I'm going to be featured in one of his videos. And yeah, so I have my dog here. I have my dog. He's pretty weirded. And yeah, I'm having a blast because our maybe school might be canceled tomorrow, but it's probably not going to be. Yeah, but then today was a half day, a surprise half day, and if school's closed tomorrow, it's going to be like half day, school, half day. Because we have a half day on Wednesday. But yeah. And you know, stuff is good. I'm gonna be posting new songs and stuff. I'm gonna be featured. My next video is gonna feature a bunch of my friends. But yeah, so party and keep it. You should always keep it real. Bye.